Let me show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra if you have forgotten the PIN pattern or password screen lock on your phone. So the only thing, unfortunately, what we can do is a hard reset on this phone, which involves wiping everything from the phone, all the pictures, videos you have it, all the documents, but also that will obviously also remove the security and essentially will be a brand new phone. If you want to do it, you also have to get like a computer, laptop or Mac where to plug it in. So, and I will simply connect both of these together first. And next I want to shut it off and go to the bootloader. The way we do it, we hold the power plus volume down till it shuts off. Then you jump to holding the power plus volume up till you see the Samsung logo. And on the Samsung logo, keep holding the volume up, but release the power button. Okay, so let's do it. So power plus volume down and keep holding till it shuts off. Okay, and jump to holding the power plus up. And on the Samsung logo, release the power, but keep holding the up till you see this menu here. Then what you do is, so you go over here in the wipe date factory reset using your volume keys. So volume down and click wipe data factory reset and confirm with the power button. And you will have second prompt here. So again, scroll down to the factory date reset and again confirm with the power button. I won't do that, but yeah, this again will wipe everything from your phone. And yeah, so again, it will be like a brand new phone. I will cancel this as I have no need. Okay, good luck.